We value providing you with information and receiving your feedback.
That's why we're available on multiple social media platforms.
You can find these links on the lower left part of our homepage.
Connect with us by clicking the links for Facebook, x.com Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube.
Additionally, access the Health Leap's online courses quickly and easily through our Udemy link.
Or you may search for us directly on these platforms by searching these usernames.
On our social media pages, you can participate in surveys to suggest new products or exercises you'd like to see added.
Stay updated on the latest content added to the Home Exercise Program Creator. Receive special sale coupons for Udemy online courses.
Enjoy additional health and fitness content. For customer support, you may send us an email to contact@thehealthleap.ca.
Social media is not just a technology, but a catalyst for change, enabling individuals to connect, share, and amplify their voices. It transforms the way we communicate, access information, and engage with the world, making it an essential tool in the modern age for fostering community, driving social movements, and shaping public discourse.
Connecting with us on social media is essential for staying informed and engaged with our latest updates.
It's not just about following our journey, it's about being a part of it.
By joining our online community, you'll have the opportunity to shape the future of the Health Leap HEP Creator with your valuable feedback, be able to participate in interactive content, receive special offers, and stay updated on the latest health and fitness trends.
Your engagement helps us grow and serve you better so we can all best serve our clients.
Thanks for watching. Let's connect and thrive together. If there's any change this year, let it be a healthier you.